Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing about the dams and the Dam Safety Bill of India. Before we go to the complications of the bill, let us once again memorize that what a dam is. So a dam is defined as an artificial barrier on rivers which store water, help in irrigation, help in power generation, flood moderation, and water supply. In India, as per the stats of 2016, there were 5,745 dams and many others were under construction. A CWC committee on dam safety in 1986 recommended the unified safety procedures for all the dams across the country. It was in 2007 that Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal passed resolutions requesting Parliament to make laws on the same. The Dam Safety Bill of 2010 was introduced in Lok Sabha under Article 252. Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal had passed resolutions requiring a law on dam safety, but the preamble stated that the Parliament had no powers to make the bill for state with respect to providing any uniform dam safety procedure. This Dam Safety Bill provides for the surveillance, inspection, operation, and maintenance of all the specified dams across the country. The bill also constitutes two national bodies, namely the National Committee on Dam Safety and the National Dam Safety Authority. The functions of these committees are that the National Committee on Dam Safety involves policies and recommends regulations regarding the dam safety standards. While talking about the National Dam Safety Authority, it is responsible for implementing policies of the National Committee, providing technical assistance to the state dam safety organizations, and resolving matters between SDSOs of the state or between the SDSOs or any other dam owner in the state. The bill also laid down certain obligations for the dam owners. These are as follows. The dam owners will be responsible for the safe construction, safe operation, maintenance, and supervision of a dam. They must provide a dam safety unit in each dam, and this unit will be responsible for the inspection of dam when talking about monsoon season or earthquakes, floods, any other natural calamity, or any other distress. This bill also lays down the offences and penalties. What are these offences and penalties? So it states that anyone obstructing a person in the discharge of his or her functions under the bill or refusing to comply with the directions under this bill may have the penalty of 1 year of imprisonment. Also, in case of loss of life, the person may be imprisoned for even 2 years. Talking about the jurisdiction of Parliament to frame a law on the intra-state river dams, this bill applies to all the specified dams of the country. As per entry 17 of the state list, states can make laws on water supply, irrigation, canal, drainage, and embankments, water storage, and water power subject to entry 56. Entry 56 of the Union list allows Parliament to make laws on the regulation of interstate rivers and river valleys if it is declared that any such regulation to be expedient in public interest. This bill declares it expedient in public interest for the Union to regulate on a uniform dam safety procedure for all the specified dams in the country. The Tamil Nadu government severely and strongly opposed this bill. This makes me question that why did the Tamil Nadu government do so? A few of the reasons are here as mentioned. the union government for not considering the interest of the state of Tamil Nadu, saying that the bill was detrimental to federal principles and the powers of the state government. It also thought that this bill portrays authoritarianism and is a move that is dangerous for the democracy of the country. While the AIADMK has also supported DMK's stand against the bill, the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly had earlier passed a unanimous resolution demanding proper consultation with the state before arriving to any decision. Also, in a country where most of the dams are built, operated, maintained, and owned by the state governments, the impact of the act remains to be seen when long pending disputes will arise. So the Dam Safety Bill of 2018 states that the states and union territories will adopt uniform dam safety procedures. This will be all in this regard. Thank you. Happy reading.